Okay, hello everyone. My name is Georgi, and today I'm going to defend uh, my NLP assignment 2. So let's start. What do we have here? Initially, we install all of needed libraries. I actually already did it, but to show you that I did it. Actually, we will work today with datasets. It's most important part. So, okay, next let's import our libraries such that dataset, regex, NLT key or spicy we can use, random, and we need to import counter from collections to count bigram. Okay, next. Actually, for first task case, there was asked to load from dataset 10,000 data. Okay, let's make sure that there are exactly 10,000. Okay, actually, I guess that Google Colab can work more than with 10,000, maybe 50,000, or up to 100,000. It can handle it. I guess Colab can handle. Okay, let's continue. So, task A. Task A were asked us to make a sentence based on dataset. We need to make sentence with length of 10, and this sentence should be generated based on a random choice from this dataset. Okay, what do we have here? I want to screenshot this. Pretty funny. Okay, let's run this, and we can have a sentence like and lister leader forcing time pope then Howard. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 words in one sentence. How I did it. Initially we create empty string and empty array, and in this array unigram we add our text using split, so it make all dataset like one sentence in array. And just using for loop with range 10, I randomly use how to put to the sentence a random word from this array. So it was pretty simple. Let's move to the task B. Task B, I guess, one of the hardest tasks in this assignment. So initially, what task B asked us to do? It asked to tokenize our sentence that we get here. It asks us to tokenize it using the s tags. It should seems like in initial of sentence we need to add just s tag, and the end of the string we need to add backward slash s, and then let's see how we do this. Initially we specify that n equals to 2, and it means that we will work with bigrams, but actually it can have 3, 4 gram, 5 gram. It actually will be need us to task C. Okay, what we do is here we avoid some like mismatching using the regex condition that will handle such things that dot mister or dot there, that means doctor. It will see this words kind of mer or there. This kind of words, it will by using this regex, it will see as independently worked. Okay, and using sentence, each sentence it's like update our sentence with hashtag, not hashtag, just tag. And then using ngrams and using function make ngram, where we provide our sentence with our, how to say, bigram, not bigram, with our number, which it will be, we receive our ngram, and by using ngram counter we can count it. So let's run. And here we can make sure that we receive exactly ngrams or bigrams. Okay, yes, here we can see that actually our first part of a task were successfully done. We have S tag and April, and actually we have bigram itself, and it's our first bigram. Our second bigram will be like April the without S tag. Okay, let's make sure that it is. Yes. So our third bigram will like is the without April, is the, and then we will have something like the and something else. Okay, the fourth, and it is bigram. Okay, let's see that our first bigram is start with S, and actually our sentence ends with backward slash. We can by index 31. It means that our 32nd bigram ends this sentence. Yes, we can see that backward S slash. And what do we have next? It was like adding S and divided to bigram, and this part of task B asked us to, or require us to do next thing. As you can see here, we have bigram, and the task is asked us to make sentence based on bigram. How it should work? Initially, let's see. Initially, our starting word always will be like hashtag tag S. So what does it mean? It means that algorithm will take all bigrams that start with S and append it to the array. So it takes all bigrams that start with tag S, append it to array, and it chose by using random choice one bigram that start with S. Okay, so it randomly chose one bigram that start with S. So what this program do next? It's like, so we have S and we have next word. It looks for the next word and add it to our sentence. And now our starting word will be not S, but word that will be next front S. So let's imagine that randomly we choose S and April, and now our starting word will be not S but April. And again, our algorithm will take all bigrams with word April to the array in grams that fit, and randomly choose one bigram that starts with April. And next, it will work, it will doing in that cycle until we will meet this word with backward slash S. So okay, let's run it to make sure that it works actually. And at the sample, I can clearly explain it. Okay, we have, we have long sentence based on bigrams. So what does it mean? What's all these words does? It means that initially we have sentence that start with like we had not sentence, we had bigram. We had bigram that starts with S at 7, and next word in this bigram was suitors. So it takes suitors and it find all bigrams that start with suitors and randomly choose one. So we had bigram suitors surrounded. So next it's take word surrounded, find all bigrams, randomly choose one, and we receive surrounded end. And actually we can see that each of this word it's actually one bigram. So somewhere it was one bigram, and it repeatedly until that we have city charter, and after city charter it randomly takes all bigrams that start with charter, and there was such bigram that was charter and backward slash, and it meets backward slash and breaks the loop. Added all the things to the one string and show us this. Okay, I hope it was clearly explained. And so basically task C almost the same with task B, but here we use it not second part of bigram to base our word. Instead of this we used random choose again and again. So let's see that it works. Okay, pretty actually works, but yes, actually it almost like they start with S. Second word in bigram was Gottfried, but then it's find like not Gottfried, it find it Nicholas. After Nicholas it find it Mitchell by random choosing from all bigrams until it find Hilsey where there was backward slash. And by using these things we can make not only bigram based on this value, we can make 3 gram, 4 gram, 5 gram, and n gram itself. Okay, that's all assignments that I did. Okay, yes, let's make sure that I did it in deadline. So my commit to the GitHub assignment was last week. It's about, no, now we have 18th of March, so it was about 11 or 12 of March. I'm sorry. Yes, and let's see that we have same code. So actually, yes, we have almost the same things that in our assignment. And okay, thank you all for the attendance, and I hope you understand